In today's video I'm going to show you how to use motion blur in CapCut. So first, open CapCut and start a new project. Tap on new project and you can choose from your own media or stock videos. Tap on stock videos to access selection of available clips. Select a couple of videos you would like to work with. Once you select clips, tap on add to insert them into your project timeline. Then tap on first video clip in the timeline to select it. And swipe all the way to the right in the bottom menu until you find motion blur. Tap on motion blur to open settings. Tap on little question mark icon next to settings if you need an explanation of what each does. Set direction to both to apply blur effect in both directions. Adjust sliders to increase motion blur and blend to your liking. And once you are satisfied with settings, tap on check mark to apply motion blur to the video. Next video clip and repeat process if needed. Swipe over motion blur, adjust settings and hit check mark to apply. Next you can play to preview transition between clips.